The vision of Hafary House is to redefine how we showcase our extensive range of tiles, natural stones, and countertops. It embodies our commitment to bring innovative servicing materials to Singapore while creating an immersive environment for designers, architects, and homeowners. Hafary House is more than just a showroom. We have created a vibrant, dynamic location that offers beyond building materials. It is a destination where people can connect, explore, and get inspired. At Hafary House, we are emphasizing the retail experience, creating the space designed to spark creativity. There are three main showrooms: Hafary House for tiles and stone, Wood Culture for timber and vinyl flooring, and Hafary Bathroom. At Wood Culture, we recently introduced the Eco Clay and Eco Sphere wall solutions, which are lightweight and versatile enough to be clad on ceilings and even curved surfaces. We are also proud to exclusively carry Antolini's premium natural stones, including marble, crystal, quartzite, and their precious stone collections. In Hafary Bathroom, we feature premium European brands such as Curated and Bernstein. We have also developed our in-house brand Clotfen, which brings together a curated collections of sanitary wares, fittings, and accessories designed to elevate everyday bathroom experiences. By bringing together a wide range of surfacing materials and bathroom products under one roof, and showcasing new and versatile ways our material can be used, we aim to transform how customers approach their renovation and design journey. Looking ahead, Hafary House will continue to evolve as a space for inspiration and innovation. A place that will remain central to Hafary Group's long-term vision of bringing cutting-edge building materials and architectural solutions to the industry.